Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a beautiful green look. I think this look is actually perfect for the holidays and would be very beautiful for Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, even just whatever holiday event you want to wear it to. But this is look number 2 using the Profusion Meadow Eyeshadow Palette. You can find this $5 at your local Walmart or on Profusion's website. And we're going to get started by using the WetnWild Photo Focus Eye Primer and the Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe Loose Strawberry Powder under the Eye to Catch Fallout. We're taking Habitat, which is a nice kind of sage green. It is a matte, and this shade is buildable, so at first you're going to see it go on kind of lightly, and we're going to work on that and build it up. And Profusion always delivers with their products. Their eyeshadows, especially these palettes, are fantastic and super pigmented. Going in with Evergreen, which I feel this shade is correctly named. I definitely do think of evergreens or trees in general when I see this shade. Very beautiful green, and I'm just going to be popping that with a pencil brush in the outer corner. Just because I don't want the shade all over the place, and I am just going to press that in the outer corner. And this is the Makeup Revolution's Cut Crease Canvas product, and basically this is just like blanking out my lid. You can use a concealer for this process if you would like. I'm going to blend that out with my finger too to avoid any kind of creasing. And I'm just making a guideline. So I just put that on there, stamped my eyelid up, and made me a guide for where I want the next shadow. Clean slate and a sticky secondary kind of base for the shadow to lay on top of. So the shade I'm using right now is called Roots, and this is like a brown green gold duochrome shade. Very beautiful, or I should say this is slightly a multi-chrome shade because it's kind of got the bronzy gold green vibe going on, so that would be a multi-chrome. Very beautiful for this cheap palette. Very beautiful shade. And I'm just going to blend down the crease and the outer corner lines together using NYX single eyeshadow. And I'm going to highlight with that because there's not a definite highlight shade in this $5 palette, which I always seem to be a little womp about. And this is from BH Cosmetics, and it's like their duochrome highlighter palette. I'm taking the shade Laser, which is a white green duochrome shade, and it is a white with a green shift basically. And I'm just applying that under the brow. I'm doing eyeliners and my lower lash line with Evergreen, and this is L'Oreal Linear Intense, and I'm just going to do a little thin line of black eyeliner. And this is Hard Candy's Off-White eyeliner. Very pretty white eyeliner, and just like the name suggests, it is off-white. It's not stark in your face. Going back in with that BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette and applying same shade Laser in the inner corner. I love using these duochromy white shades in the inner corner. They're so beautiful, and it really opens up the eye and adds a next level to the look. And this is Believe Beauty Extend Mascara and our finished look. And for lips, I'm using the LaColors Velvet Plush Lip Color in Teddy. That is our finished look, ready for the holidays. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Stay tuned for more makeup tutorials using Profusion. Check the description box out for additional links as well as a product list. Check the cards out. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy my cute manicure as well. I did a black version of this, matted, and I will link that in the cards. So thank you guys so very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.